Today in crypto. Litecoin was trading at $148,339 by 23:12, GMT, on the investing.com index on Tuesday, down 10.38% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage loss since December 23, 2020. The move downwards pushed Litecoin's market cap down to $10,031 billion, or 18% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, Litecoin's market cap was $14,099 billion. Litecoin had traded in a range of $148,338 to $159,898 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Litecoin has seen a rise in value, as it gained 18.03%. The volume of Litecoin traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was $13,876 billion, or 73% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $122.048 to $173.6253 in the past 7 days. At its current price, Litecoin is still down 68% from its all-time high of $420.00 set on December 12, 2017. Elsewhere in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was last at $30,962.10 on the investing.com index, down 19% on the day. Ethereum was trading at $998.24 on the investing.com index, a loss of 42%. Bitcoin's market cap was last at $586,297 billion, or 70% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $116,671 billion, or 67% of the total cryptocurrency market value. Litecoin was trading at $147,969 by 23:14 GMT, on the investing.com index on Tuesday, down 10.66% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage loss since November 26, 2020. The move downwards pushed Litecoin's market cap down to $10,031 billion, or 18% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, Litecoin's market cap was $14,099 billion. Litecoin had traded in a range of $147,968 to $159,898 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, Litecoin has seen a rise in value, as it gained 18.03%. The volume of Litecoin traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was $13,876 billion, or 73% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $122.048 to $173.6253 in the past 7 days. At its current price, Litecoin is still down 77% from its all-time high of $420.00 set on December 12, 2017. Elsewhere in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was last at $30,785.60 on the investing.com index, down 81% on the day. Ethereum was trading at $991.22 on the investing.com index, a loss of 63%. Bitcoin's market cap was last at $586,297 billion, or 70% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $116,671 billion, or 67% of the total cryptocurrency market value. Binance has reported a new record of more than $80 billion in daily volume across its spot and derivatives platforms. Changpeng Zhao, the chief executive of Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trade volume, reported a record of $80 billion in 24-hour trade activity on January 4. On Twitter, CZ compared the recent activity to the volume posted during the last record-breaking bull cycle, noting that the past day of trade equates to 4 times the volume processed on the exchange from November 15, 2017 to December 15, 2017. To put this in perspective, from November 15, 2017 to December 15, 2017, the month leading up to the ETH in 2017, at Binance did $20 billion in trading volume in 1 month, and we were the largest with those volumes back then. In the 24 hours preceding CZ's tweet, Binance's spot volume exceeded $23.6 billion, while its derivatives represented nearly $57 billion in trade. Despite the milestone, CZ acknowledged the platform had experienced disruptions amid the record volume, stating, however, in addition to the unprecedented trade activity, January 4 also saw Binance process a record $190 million in liquidations over 10 minutes as BTC quickly crashed below $30,000. On the same day, Sam Bankman-Fried, the CEO and founder of crypto derivatives exchange FTX, reported that his exchange had processed more than $10 billion of the $180 billion in volume produced by the sector's 5 largest exchanges that day. 10bpic.twitter.com/44acp7fz0l Binance's record volume comes as Bitcoin consolidates above $30,000 after gaining more than 50% over its previous all-time high, and Ethereum has reclaimed 4-figure prices for the first time since January 2018. The spoils of the rally appear to be flowing into the DeFi sector, with the USD total value locked, or TVL, on decentralized finance protocols smashing records, from $12.5 billion at the start of December to currently sit at nearly $18 billion. However, the number of BTC locked in DeFi has fallen from an all-time high of 65,000 as of late October to less than 25,000 today, while locked ETH has fallen from almost 9 million as of mid-November to 6.8 million today. Major U.S. crypto firms are united in opposition to new AML laws proposed by FinCEN, warning they could drive users away from regulated platforms and stifle innovation. Major U.S. crypto firms are rallying against FinCEN's proposed regulations that would force businesses operating with crypto to gather information on the identities of non-customer counterparties. A January 4 letter from Jack Dorsey, CEO of financial services firm Square, takes aim at the proposal for seeking to impose reporting obligations that go far beyond what is required for cash transactions, and that Square would be expected to collect unreliable data about people who have not opted into our service or signed up as our customers. Square predicts that if passed, the law would drive cryptocurrency users toward unregulated and non-custodial crypto services based outside of the U.S., impacting the nation's global competitiveness and creating further challenges for regulators. FinCEN has received widespread criticism for its proposed rule change, with the regulator offering only 15 days rather than the usual 60 days for public comment after publishing the proposal on December 18. Despite such, nearly 6,000 comments have been submitted to FinCEN on the matter. Major U.S.-based crypto exchange Kraken was among those criticizing the proposed regulations, slamming FinCEN for failing to provide estimates for the cost of implementing the rule. Like Square, it warned that the law will drive users away from regulated platforms. It virtually guarantees that the evidence available to law enforcement today will be placed outside their reach tomorrow, Kraken concluded, adding, Coinbase published a submission taking exemption to FinCEN's proposal, describing the rule as impermissibly vague, suggesting that it imposed expansive privacy invasions on the public, and adding that it failed to offer a public benefit. Bitcoin price declined sharply towards the $28,000 zone against the US dollar. BTC is currently rising, but it might face a strong resistance near $33,200 and $33,500. Yesterday, Bitcoin price saw a sharp downside correction below the $32,000 support zone. BTC broke many important supports near $30,000 and it even spiked below the 100-hourly simple moving average. It declined nearly 20% from the high and tested the $28,000 support zone. A low was formed near $27,967 before the price started a fresh increase. There was a steady rise and the price recovered above the $30,000 $33,000 level. There was also a break above the 50% fib retracement level of the downside correction from the $34,850 swing high to $27,967 swing low. More importantly, there was a break above a major bearish trend line with resistance near $32,350 on the hourly chart of the BTC/USD pair. The pair is now back above $31,000 and trading nicely above the 100 hourly simple moving average. It is trading above the 61.8% fib retracement level of the downside correction from the $34,850 swing high to $27,967 swing low. On the upside, there are a couple of important hurdles near $33,500 and $33,800. A successful break and follow-through move above the $33,500 is must for upside continuation. The next key resistance could be near the $35,000 zone. If Bitcoin fails to clear the $33,200 and $33,500 levels, it could start a fresh downward move. An initial support on the downside is near the broken trend line and $32,200. The first major support is near the $31,400 level in the 100 hourly simple moving average. A close below the 100 hourly SMA could start a steady decline towards the $30,000 level or even $29,500 in the near term. Technical indicators. Hourly MACD. The MACD is gaining momentum in the bullish zone. Hourly RSI, Relative Strength Index. The RSI for BTC/USD is well above the 50 level. Major support levels $32,200, followed by $31,400. Major resistance levels $33,200, $33,500 and $33,800. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.